Hello, today's video is about making silicone prosthetics. Last video we made a mold. It's a 2 pieces mold and I am using the petroleum jelly. It's a Vaseline. I'm using the hair dryer to make it thinner. Make sure it's no bumpy or extra Vaseline. Then next one is stearic acid. Normally I use this for foam latex prosthetics mold, but I am using for silicone prosthetics mold. I recommend you to use the brand new one and do not use it for foam latex if you use it for silicone mold. Next one is urethane perfume spray. Then I am using Baldiez acetone based Baldiez. The ratio is acetone 5, Baldiez 1, 5 to 1, and mix it together. Then I'm doing the airbrush with this. All the materials and the tools I use in this video, I put the link on the description below, so if you like to purchase, please check it out. Now I'm spraying 3 layers of Baldiez on both sides. Make sure let it dry. The 3rd layer will be on the edge only. And I'm using the T-pin to make sure the thickness is right. Next, I'm weighing out the silicone plus still Gell-10. Softness is 150% and I'm weighing out A 100 grams and D deadener 300 grams. Then next I'm using Revlon Colorstay skin color. Add it to the A and D together and mix it. Then next I'm using the Silk Pink. This is a white color. This will make it opaque. Then I'm using the red flocking. This color you can change it in softness, you can change it too as you like. Now I'm getting the small batch of this A and D 100 grams. Then part B 25 grams. Mix it together. Then put it into the evacuator. This machine will make the bubble comes out. If you don't have it, you can pour from the high point and pour it from the edge area and also the positive mold and close it together. Then to put the 2x4 board and more strap, put it on and secure the position with clay. After 2 hours it's cured. Then I open slowly. Using the RCMA no color powder. Some people don't put the powder, it's okay. I like to use it. Also I'm using the atomizer to blow the powder in it. Then use a clamp. Put 1 2, 3 to make a bridge. And twist the more clamp and it slowly lift it up. Then slowly lift it up by hand. Make sure to keep it on one side, not both sides. And powder it. I cut the extra part around the eyes so it's easier to open it, and use a brush and the powder to lift it up. And that's it for the silicone prosthetics making. Next video is punching the hair into this prosthetic. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.